Hello, my dear lovely friends, my beautiful viewers, and my beautiful subscribers. Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Creation. So, dear lovely friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing great. May Allah keep you happy, keep laughing, keep smiling in the same way. Amin. My dear lovely friends, this video will be very helpful for you. And today I'm showing our all-hit trendy and gorgeous collection of most beautiful, most stylish, most wearing and demanding crochet and hand knitted halter neck top, crop top and blouse designs. So dear lovely friends, I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. You will find some trendy ideas in our videos.